Okay, it is January 2020. Time for Volume 13, Rookie Card Explosion Box by Filmington. Really looking forward to this month's batch. You really stuffed it with a lot of cards. And there we go. So, let's get this out of the way. Alrighty. Anti-dating sheet. Looks like I got the 93 score and the 82 OPG. And yeah, we'll get to breaking. And I like to do it backwards. So we'll go recent to oldest. We know what's in this one. All right. Verdugo, Hernandez, Ahmed Rosario, no rookie, not a rookie, nice gold card. Okay. Useless. And doesn't look like we got a Shaw. And that's it. That's it. No other juice in that pack. All right. And now we're looking for minor league. All right. So this is awesome to have in here. Let's go. So we're looking for Franco, Robert, Alvarez, Rodriguez, Bart, and Kelenic. Like Bomb, Kevin Smith, Puck, Montero, Perez, and there is the Wander Franco. And that image just looks really weird, like his face, the little. And Grayson Rodriguez. Yeah. Not the Rodriguez we're looking for. All right. Hit number one. Come on. Here we go. All right. Got our Franco. Topps Chrome. 2019. Desmond. D. Gordon. And that just happened. What? I do not have this auto at all, and so that's awesome. This guy's gonna be awesome this year. Come on, get in there. Come on, Goose. Don't you know where your home is? There we go. That is sick. Oh, and it's numbered to 438 of 499. Yeah, that is, I like the trend. That is cool. What? All right. Yeah, there were other cards in that set or that pack. Yeah. Okay. All right. Stupid happy right now. And we got update. So we know what we're looking for in here as well. Wow. Still blown away by that. That's so cool. And All-Star Game, Gleyber Torres rookie. That works. And Pedro Strop. Acuna. That's so weird. The insert is far back in the pack. It's 990. Yep, not really. It's weird. That's it. Huh. That's weird. Okay. 2018 Heritage. High number. Okay. And looking for the same ones that we're looking at that pack. But we're also adding in Austin Meadows. Colby Rasmus. Billy McKinney. Cabrera. Junis. Granderson, Goodwin, Peralta, Walden. So no one really in that one. I do like the backs of those though. Looks pretty good. All right, 17 update. All right, Bellinger, Chapman, Judge, Bregman, Moncada. Okay. Jacob May. Rookie Davis. Barreto. Nelson Cruz. Adam Lind. Aaron Judge. What? No, this is just All-Star game. Yeah. Yeah, 957. That is awesome. Wait, what? I'm guessing that is a short print. Okay. You're getting sleeved up right away. Could be wrong, just double checking. Come on. These sleeves. All right, here we go. All right, sure. Let's see. All right. Middleton. Yeah, 517, and then this is 557. Yeah, short print. Rasmus Imater. Wow, that's cool. Hitting it out of the park this month, Filmington. Solid. And we're looking at Josh Bell here. Buchholz. Matt Kemp. Yu Darvish. Yeah. Greatest memories, George Brett. Cool. Hayward. Nathan. Rasmus again. That's a good Bryce Harper. All right. 2015. Update. Fastest Golden Door. Chris Bryant. Those are the ones I'm really looking for in here. But there's a ton in here. Pete Kozma. Matt Andres. Caminero. JB Shuck. Yasmin Grandal Gold. All-Star Game. 2015. Yep. Sam Fold. Austin Adams. Yasmani Thomas. Ryan Webb. Felix Hernandez. And that's it in there. 2012 Heritage. Mike Trout. This is a very cool pack to open. The Wrong Soto. Logan Morrison. Paredes. Reyes. Bosch. Wandy Rodriguez. Brett Pill. Jared Hughes, and that's it. And Dodgers Big Three. Ooh, so many packs. And here's the one he's talking about, the one that's super bowed. Man, that is serious. Well, 10 years old. Oh, look at that. Alrighty, so Stanton, Strasburg, Donaldson, Jake Arrieta. That works. Yeah. I like the Jake Arrieta. That works. Ibanez, Hunter Pence. All right. There we go. Score 1993. Looking for the Mr. Derek Jeter. All right. Good old Tony Gwynn in the back. There we go. That's an awesome one. Tackett. Arthur Rhodes. Man, this is so hard to read. Gene Larkin. Gary Sheffield. Jason Kendall. That's cool. That works. Paul Quantrill. I also seem to pull, when I'm doing 93, more Jason Kendalls than I do Jeters. Ozzie Canseco. Andy Van Slyke. Interesting. Mike Moore. Gary Gaetti. Dan Gladden. Ben McDonald. Barry Larkin. And the Tony Gwynn. Yeah. Would have been so nice if that was the Jeter. All right, so this one is 92 OPG. And no rookies. Looking for big names. We got Dennis Eckersley on the top with his wax stains. And then this is going to be that, probably the Expos. Yeah. Oh, there's two. All right. Larry Parrish. And we have Dave Steep. Nice. That's cool. All right. Eckersley. Dave Stapleton. Bob Boone. Gary Maddox. Dave Revering. Nettles. Lonnie. So no real big names, but pretty cool cards though. Traded to Tigers in 81. That's what the backs look like. Yeah. So as a recap, we have short print of Judge, Gleyber Torres, Wander, and Eloy. Sick, sick, sick. Very cool.